Hello, Cecil County and the world, and welcome to Cecil TV. It's the weekly show, and I'm Rob Churnside. It's April the 20th, 2026. And we just had hazardous waste cleanup day over the weekend at the Central Landfill. I'm sure that went well. Earth Day's coming up, the 22nd, I believe, so be kind to your planet. And now, without further ado, welcome Angelina Battaglia from the Elkton Alliance. Welcome to Cecil TV.
Thank you for having me.
Oh, it's always a pleasure to have you on the show. And why don't you share a little bit with our viewers about what the central purpose of the Elkton Alliance is?
Sure. So the Elkton Alliance serves as the economic development, revitalization, historic preservation, and community engagement for the town of Elkton. So we do various events, ribbon cuttings, all the fun things, and we try to bring businesses to Elkton and show how great Elkton is.
I agree. It is a great place. I got my new glasses there today.
Oh, I love that. There you go. Get amazing things there.
Yeah, a lot of cool stuff in Elkton. And if a building remains vacant, it doesn't remain vacant for very long because something new comes up.
Yes.
And that's something you encourage, right?
Yes. Oh, definitely. My boss, Alicia Calhoun, she always is talking, and there's always something in the works. So you have to wait and see.
Speaking of in the works, what's in the works as far as activities coming up?
So right now we were planning Cinco de Mayo, and unfortunately we had to cancel that event. So before I get into that, I just want to thank all of our vendors and past participants for their support of this event. It was one of my favorites. I'm very sad to see it be canceled this year. But at this time, we believe that many businesses are suffering from staffing issues and operational issues going on. So that led to a lower registration count.
Right.
So we can't have an event without vendors, especially for Cinco de Mayo. So we had to make the very difficult decision to cancel that at this time. It will be back next year, but for this year, it just wasn't going to work.
Let's hope we flip enough calendar pages to make the Cinco de Mayo again next year. That'd be great.
Yes,
and what a gift that would be.
Yes, just one button. Yep.
Speaking of gifts, the Elkton Alliance puts on the parade for Memorial Day.
Yes, so we will be having the Memorial Day parade on May 25th. Registration will open for that soon. We are the only town in the county to do Memorial Day parade, so we encourage all towns to come out. Anybody who wants to participate in the parade or they just want to come and be a spectator, we welcome everybody to come and register.
And I've been in it playing music, going around and around and around. And I know if you want to be in the parade, folks, but you don't have the proper vehicle, maybe Angelina and the folks at the Alliance can help you hook that up.
Oh my gosh, just give me a holler and we'll definitely make it work.
And it's a free event, family event.
Yes, yes. All of our events are free and we welcome everybody to come. It's always a fun time, no matter what the event is.
Right. Now, is there a rain date for the parade? Or?
There is not for the Memorial Day parade.
So if it looks like rain and people want to know, they call the Alliance or what?
Yep, so you can check our Facebook page at Elkton Alliance, or you can always give me a call at 410-398-5076, or you can shoot me an email at office@elktonalliance.org, and I normally answer within 24 hours, if not even quicker.
Wow. Hey, that's great. And quick turnaround, too, between the parade and June. What's happening in June?
So on June 5th, we're having our Jump into June event to kick off summer and, give the kids something to look forward to once school comes out. Registration for vendors will also open soon for that. That's in the works, and it'll sneak up on us very fast. Summer's right around the corner, so
it's a kid event or a family event?
It is a family event. We will have a bunch of different things for kids to do. Last year, I believe we had a bouncy castle, face painting, and different crafts for kids to do. So it's definitely catered towards kids, but we encourage all families to come.
And what day of the week is that?
It's always on a Friday. Our events typically fall on the first Fridays of the month.
So there's a lot going on in Elkton on first Friday.
Always. Oh my gosh, yes. Most of the time the streets will be closed. You can also see that on our social media pages on whether or not the town of Elkton will be the streets will be closed that day.
Okay, so kids will be exposed to activities they can participate in for the summer? Or?
So we only have the Jump into June event. Also, it happening in June, we'll have our National Food Truck Day, which is June 28th, I believe. So that's honestly one of my favorites. Last year was our first one that we held, so it was so popular. So many people were like, can we have it again? So we're having it again this year. So we definitely have some things happening throughout the summer, especially in June.
Yeah, that sounds great. I remember all the food trucks at Fall Fest.
Yes.
They even had lobster.
Yes, they did. Oh my gosh, that was amazing.
Anyway, thanks for everything. Is there anything else you want to share with our viewers?
Of course. So the last thing I'd like to say is to please like and follow us on Facebook at Elkton Alliance. And join our newsletter. That's where you'll find whenever our events are coming up, any updates that you need about our events, anything like that. You can go on our website at www.elktonalliance.org and you can sign up for our newsletter there.
Awesome.
Yes.
Well, thank you for coming on the show. And can you order up a little bit of nice weather now instead of this freeze we're getting tonight?
I'll put the call into Alicia. She talks to the weather gods and she makes it work.
All right. Thanks.
Thank you.